So you mean to tell me that Apple, you know, the company that makes trillions of dollars and sells iPhones, iPads, all that crazy stuff, right, that we know and love. You mean to tell me that they actually sell a water bottle?
Nope.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. So, you know me, I hopped on the Apple website and went ahead and hit that purchase button. And now we are headed to the Florida Mall to pick that joint up. So, to the mall we go. It has to be the quickest I ever got in and got out of the Florida Mall. Just like that, far right in the Apple store, secured the package, and now we headed back to the lab to test it out. All right, I have no idea what to expect from this, right? This is the HidrateSpark Pro 2. Again, we couldn't pick this up from the Apple store, so why would I need a smart water bottle? Just because I can, I guess, right? No, but I actually do need to drink more water, and having a bottle with me that's gonna notify me and tell me you need to drink more water and accurately track how much water I'm consuming in a day is gonna help me in my journey. So it was more of a necessity, plus I really wanted to see what it was gonna be about. So let's get this joint unwrapped. This joint come in Christmas paper, yo. Oh, that's pretty decent right there. Nice matte finish on here. We got lid. Let's see what kind of sippy joint we got here. I think it's locked. Yeah, ooh, you can lock it. Nice. Okay. All right. That's gonna be very convenient. The fact that I can lock it. It looks like we have a straw one. Also, it comes with multiple. For the price of $60 with the discount from the Apple store, I say that is an actual win. So yeah, this is a straw, sippy straw. And before you even say it, yes, it was $60. And yes, I know that, but you could have also paid the same thing for a Stanley. And of course, we have a USB-C to USB-C charger for the mechanism that's in the bottom of this thing. So let's see if I can not break it and get it open. There we go. This is the mechanism here that does all the magic. So we'll get that put back in here. And let's see. Don't break it. All right. So let's get it set up, get into the app, and see what it does. And we have our QR code here. All right, so we're going to replace our lid now since we got it all set up in the app. Let me see which one I'm gonna go with. Yeah, let's go with the big top. Let's go with this one. All right, lid has been replaced. Next, now is basically tarring the water bottle as it is empty. And then we put liquid in it, and then we be good to go. It'll be able to measure what we got. All right, now it says fill bottle. Let's take it on over to the water thing here. Let's fill it up. Sounds delicious. That's 21 ounces, folks. All right, let's put our lid back on. Sorry, this video seems boring as hell, then sorry, this is set when we talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys. And this, my friend, is electronic and hydration. So we hit fill the water bottle. It's sensing. And of course I need to update the sensor. Got a little tech, right? You're gonna get a firmware upgrade regardless of what you're doing. And now we're doing a firmware upgrade. So the sensor should flash blue when it's done. I know I could make myself have a little more discipline and know that, hey, you need to drink water, but this thing wouldn't be an invention if people didn't have issues with, you know, staying hydrated. And the thing in the military with me was I knew, but you get so busy that you forget to hydrate. And I was the corpsman, and I was always telling people, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And half of the time, I wasn't even hydrated myself. So now that I'm not in that daily grind, I'm in a different type of daily grind. You lose sight of things, and health comes before everything else. And I've been told, hey, you need to drink more water or you're gonna have issues. So this should help me. They have other sizes available. They have one that looks more like a Stanley, kind of like this. And it has the sensor at the bottom. That's a nice blue color. That's my wife's. But yeah, they have other sizes. They have a white one in this 21 ounce. And let's see what else they have. I'll post them up here on the screen of the ones that they actually have. But yeah, it's a lot of options available. Yes, it's expensive, but not for what you're getting. The price of a designer Stanley can hit you about 60 bucks. Yeah, and if you get a limited one and you just don't hit it when you're supposed to, you're gonna pay more than that, depending on what it is. So I think that it's comparable in price based on what it is used for. Okay, now that I've spent some time with this thing, is it really worth the 60 some odd bucks that you pay for, or more if you decide to get the other sizes? I will have to say yes, because yes, it's just a water bottle, but the fact that it keeps you more conscious of how much water you're drinking, and it actually, yeah, it kind of makes you want to beat it to the punch. Because when you get that notification and this bottle start lighting up, you'd be like, damn, yeah, I probably need to drink some water. Albeit this one is only 21 ounces. This is good because it makes me feel more accomplished when I have the small bottle and I keep having to refill it. The app does notify you and let you know how much water that you drink. It tracks with your Apple Watch, which the app is a companion app for the Apple Watch, so you can see how much you're hydrated. It syncs all that data with your Apple Health. So that's actually really good. And by me living here in Central Florida and it's hot as bejesus outside already, and I'm about to go on an evening run in preparation for another run, yeah, I say this is definitely worth it. Even if you're one of those people that just really don't like to drink water, but you try to force yourself and you buy the bottles with the numbers on it, and all day long it tells you, oh, you need to drink more water. This actually will notify you and let you know, hey, get your ish together and drink some water. So for me, I do believe it's worth it. I did initially think it was just a gimmick. The app could use some more refinement, but with any other app, they're trying to sell you something once you buy something, and all the other features here are behind the paywall. It's not that expensive. It's $14.99 for the year or $1.99 a month. So take that for what it's worth. I mean, is it $14.99? Something like that. But it's $1.99 a month. Is that something that I want to sign up for? Just pay the 14 bucks and keep it moving. I think I might just do that option just so I can unlock a little more of the features. Yeah, it's supposed to last 21 days. It's supposed to last 21 days without charging this, but we shall see. I will report back and let you guys know, but for the most part, gimmick or not, I do believe it's a win, especially for me, for somebody who just, yeah, not very good at drinking water. So with that being said, man, I bid you folks adieu. I will catch you in the next one. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go get this run in. Peace.